Hello, my dear friends and family. We are seeing a very interesting facts about a universe and a earth, moon and stars and so on. Okay, I think it will be more than useful. It will be it gives some wow feeling. Oh wow, this million stars are there. It gives some wow feeling while I'm taking a class. Okay, so we are seeing a very interesting facts. It's not anything what I'm imagine and that I'm taking the class. It's not at all. It's a full of a fact news, but it gives a wow feeling. Okay, so on that note, today we are going to see about some basic introductions about a universe and planets, isn't it? So of course we have come across with a lot of planets like Earth, Mercury, Saturn. Okay, we have come across with a lot of planets and have thought about a detailed view of each and every planet, and I have come with a very valid point of each and every planet containing about a particular moon. Some planet which contain 2 moons and some planets containing nearly 5 moons. Okay, and also I have come across with how the diameter and when it was appear and when it was discovered. I have come across with every updates about each and every planet till date now. Okay, so this is a class about to tell about oral or just giving a light introduction about a universe and planets. Okay, so first thing, when it comes as a planets, it's a word. We are deriving the word from an old French word. Okay, so the planet is an old French word. Okay, so because there was we have discovered a planet in the solar system a very long year ago. Okay, so they have discovered the word a planet from the old French word. Okay, so we didn't change the word till now. That's what very surprising thing, isn't it? Okay, so next, universe. The universe also, it's a word derived from a old Latin word. Okay, so of course they have discovered a universe in a BC itself. Okay, so they have derived the word from the old Latin word. Okay, so the universe and planets is derived from the old French and old Latin word. Okay, so and of course when I'm taking the class detailedly about each and every planet like Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, we have come across with the discover who discovered. So many of the things were many of the planet were discovered by the French people. Okay, so only they have maybe the many planets were discovered by the French people, maybe so only they have kept the name as a planet. They have derived from the French word. Okay, so this is a one important thing to share about it. Okay, the first point, the universe is all of space and time, including planets, stars, galaxies and all form of matters and energy. Yes, of course, if we say universe is not a single thing, or it's a full of a gang of things. The universe, everything, we are in the universe, not only we human only living in a universe. No, so the universe containing a lot of things like planets, and each and every planet. We are living in a single planet like an Earth. If you take an example as a Earth, only the human was living. No, so there are a lot of livings and non-living things where we are in the one particular planet. So see here, remaining planets, so everything is inside the universe. Okay, so like let's take it about the stars. We cannot count the stars. There are a lot of billions of stars are there. So everything is in the universes, and like a galaxies, and of course the galaxies, they form some energy. It's like a lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Every motions will form some energy. So the everything, it's like in a package. Okay, it's a package of the universe. It's a package of planets, stars, galaxies and so on. Energy was formed in the universe. Everything is covered in a one package. We used to say as a universe. Okay, second point, universe, it denotes everything around us like earth, moon, sky, sun and the planets surrounded in the sun, Milky Way and time. Yes, of course, what I said in the first point, the universe is not a single piece. It's a full of that. Everything in the earth is it's owner by the universe. It's everything in the earth, like in a moon, stars, no suns, or everything. Everything was this ownership by owned by the universe. Okay, so the universe, it's not a single thing. The universe is a full of packages of everything near to us, or everything which is surrounded to us. It's a full of a universe. Okay, next third point. One more interesting thing is age of universe is 13.73 billion years. Okay, so listen, see how many years. No, if we take my age and your age, then compare the universal age. So universal age is nearly a 13.73 billion years. Okay. So it may be approximate, maybe, because the human may have been have been find it out the age of the universe. Okay, so it may be have been become the old. No, it will be older than what they have mentioned here actually. Okay, it may be, but still down the scientists have been find it out the age of universe is 13.73 billion years. Okay, so the human and yet maybe other planets and maybe the moon and stars and sun will come and go. Okay, we are like in a temporary, like in a, we are like in a traveling with the bus. The bus will be traveling through our destinations. Okay, then the arrival place is our birth time and the destination is our death time actually. So when it's like in a traveling through the bus is going to be same the universe. Okay, the universe is going to be like an static means we cannot change it, or we can't do anything. So the universe is going to be a static, and the humans and everything which is surrounded by the earth, like in a star and moon, we are like a dynamic. We will come to the universe and we will go out. But the universal it's like a static one. Okay, next point. But it is difficult to find it out the distance of the universe. We cannot find it out the distance of a universe. We have find it out about the age. The age is a 13.73 billion years, but we cannot find it out the distance of a universe, how long the universe goes on. Okay, so we cannot find it out the distance. Maybe we took the human's lifespan of a human is nearly 80 or 90 or sometimes maybe 100, but we cannot that particular that lifespan we cannot find it out the distance of a universe. But now the technology has been improved a lot. Maybe in a future they may find it out the distance of the universe. And the next point, but scientists find it out an observable universe through the radiations. It is possible to measure the size of the observable universe, which is currently estimated to be a 93 billion in diameter. So they have now the technology has been improved very much and have been improved a very lot. Okay, so using those technology, the scientists have been observe about the one part of the universe. It's not about like a coverage of every full universe. They have observed only the radiations, because the radiation will keeps on travel. So they have been find it out the destination place. Okay, so keeping the radiations, they have find it out the distance of the universe, and approximately they are telling a 93 billion in diameter. So this is approximate. Maybe in future it will be definitely changed, or it will be remain same. Okay.